Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Amalia Fiza from University of Muhammadiyah Malang. I am honored to share with you today the insight from my research titled Validity of Problem-Based Learning Media Assisted by Codeler to Improve Problem-Solving Abilities and Mathematical Critical Thinking Abilities of Junior High School Students. Introduction. Mathematics learning media is important to use in learning. Learning media are tools used to convey information and learning message to students. With the presence of the media in the mathematics learning process, it is hoped that it can support teachers in increasing student understanding of learning. It is important to develop mathematics learning media in several learning activities. Learning media have been used, but to achieve student success in mastering the material better. Teachers need to develop learning media that is appropriate to the material and student characteristic. Because each group of student talk has different characteristic, teachers need to innovate in developing learning media. Therefore, the importance of developing learning media will be one of determining factors for the success of learning objective. One application that can be used to develop mathematics learning media is Codular. Codeler is an online platform that provides tools for creating Android application using a drag and drop block programming approach. Codeler's main feature is programming block which allow users to create Android application without needing to write program code manually. The Codeler application has been developed as mathematical learning medium. For example, in this application research, it is used on relationship and function material. This application research is focused on improving the mathematical literacy skills of junior high school students, and by Fitriani, this application research is used on flat side geometric material. The difference between this research and what has been done is the use of the Codular application as a mathematics learning medium for statistical material. This research aims to describe mathematics learning media developed using the Codular application and the results of the validation testing by validator. The contribution of this research of mathematics learning is that it provides an overview of development of mathematics learning media to improve student problem-solving abilities. The method used in this research and development. Research and development is a series of process or step used to create new products or improve existing products. The research model used in this research is the ADI development models, namely development research which consists of 5 steps: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The first stage of ADI development model is analysis. At this stage, the researcher carry out a need analysis. The need analysis was carried out through interview with one of the mathematical subject teachers at Junior High School 10 November, Sidoarjo, whose address is Jalan Raya, Badrek, Siwaran Panji, Buduran, Sidoarjo. This need analysis is carried out to find out what media has been used previously and what kind of media is needed. The second stage of the ADI development model is design. At this stage, the researchers begin to develop the design of each application page. The application page created include the title page, lesson, practice question, quizzes, instruction, and the creator's identity. After compiling the design, of each page, the researcher then carried out the next stage, namely development. At this stage, the researcher accessed the Codular web page to create learning media based on the design created in the previous stage. The final result of Codular website is an Android application. The next stage is implementation. At this stage, the researcher validate the learning media with two validators, namely the teachers and lecturer. This validation was carried out using a validation questionnaire instrument. After the learning media is validated, the next stage is evaluation. The learning media was revised again according to the suggestion given by the validator. The instrument used in this research is a questionnaire with the measurement scale used is a Likert scale. The questionnaire was given to one of the lecturer in their field, and the subject teacher as a validator to be used as an instrument for product visibility in using the learning media being developed with the type of answer used being in the form of the checklist. The answer score given for the questionnaire is 1 to 5. Result and discussion. Learning media. This is a learning media display. The learning media develop implements problem-based learning methods. On the main page, there are 4 button options, namely command, learning, practice question, quiz, and about me. Instruction pages can be found in the navigation button on the second page after student open the learning media. When student access the Let's Learn button, a short video is presented regarding an introduction to statistics in general. Student access the play button and watch the short video. After student have finished watching the video, student access the start button. The next page contains 6 mini actions, namely learning outcomes and objectives. Stage 1, orienting students to the problem. Stage 2, organizing students to learn. Stage 3, guiding individual and group investigation. Stage 4, developing and presenting results. And stage 5, analyzing and evaluate the problem solving process. First of all, students access the learning outcome at and objective buttons. It is hoped that students will read first regarding the learning outcomes and objective of statistic materials. Then student access the stage 1 button. On this page, that data regarding the mathematics test score of 15 students is presented in the form of a diagram. Students are asked to record any information on the problem on a piece of paper. After 5 minutes, the page will change to the next page, namely stage 2. On this page, an initial introduction to the concept of modus, median, and mean is presented. Students can read the material on the page, then access the play button to watch a short video regarding the introduction of the modus, median, and mean. Then students are asked to access the stage 3 button. On this page, LKPD is presented related to the problem that have been observed on the stage 1. Students answer the question and work on the LKPD according to the instruction in each section. Students are asked to screenshot all the answer on the LKPD to be collected via the Google form on the next page. This collection aims to make it easier for students to present their answer at stage 4. On the stage 4 page, a Google Drive display of the response result from the Google form that has been collected previously is presented. One student can present the result while the other student can observe via their respective smartphone. Then on the next page, namely page 5, a complete video explanation regarding the modus, median, and mean is presented. Student access the play button and observe the video for further understanding regarding statistic, namely modus, median, and mean. After students have completed all the learning stage, student can access the practice question and quiz page. Validation results. Validation result by expert validation is using a validation questionnaire. There are 3 components to the validation questionnaire, namely appearance, content and presentation, and language components with a total of 25 questions. The result of the validation are presented in the following table. The suggestion from as well as views before and after revision is about title page improvement, personal biodata is unclear, and correction of writing error. Next, validation results by practitioner validator. Using validation questionnaire, there are three components to the validation questionnaire, namely appearance, content and presentation, and language components. With a total of 25 questions, the results of the validation are presented in the following table. The suggestions from practitioner as well as the appearance before and after revision are as follows. Suggestion include correction of writing errors. Conclusion based on the results of the analysis and a discussion, it can be concluded that one, the problem-based learning media developed has several display pages, namely the title page, learning, practice question, quizzes, instruction, and the identity of the creator. The final result of the learning media is an Android application. Validation by expert gets a category very valid with a percentage 84.3% and validation by practitioners receive a very valid category with a percentage of 92.5%. The disadvantage of the problem-based learning media that has been developed is dependence on the internet network. For this reason, it is recommended future research develop problem-based learning media can be accessed in any situation. That's my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.